Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a quick tip together today. We've got this 2005 Vauxhall Vivaro in. It's the 1.9 cdti. Basically, it's got a non-start fault. It's got the engine light on, and the fault code that we're getting it is P2293, which is a fuel pressure regulator fault. So, but just thought I'd run you through and just show you what the fault is. I've had this issue quite a few times now. Just thought I'd share the fault. It's always worth, not to say it's definitely this, but it's always worth just checking it first. It's quite a simple fix and just worth checking before you start delving in too deep. And basically what the issue is, fuel primer from the filter here is just split just along this, just sort of leaking along this seam on the top joint there. And just see it's got a little bit of fuel around it now, but basically all that is, it's got a tiny air leak there. If you pump it up, you can get it hard again and then it will start. All it's doing is just drawing in a little bit of air. The fuel's just running back and then it won't start. So this is a bit intermittent. Sometimes it starts, sometimes it don't, because it's not like a full split and it's just a little leak at the seam. Sometimes it must just seal enough to hold the fuel. So, but most of the time it's running back. You come to it and it won't start. So, but yeah, I just thought I'd share the video, see if it helps anyone with the same issue. It's always worth just checking it out. So I'll just put a link in the description below to one of these pipes, where you can get them from, the part number and everything like that. So, but if you're interested in any of the fixes on any Vivaros, I've got loads of other videos on the channel, you might want to check them out. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.